Okay guys, I'm back. It's checking Windows 7 is preparing my computer for first use, and it's checking the video performance. So it's probably gonna say it's shitty because I need to install the driver for it. Yeah, it installed a generic fucking driver. We get some lights. I'm eventually gonna get me an overhead light above my deal here, so just gonna type owner next. I'll put that in later. Next. Make sure the internet's not hooked up because I gotta put Service Pack 1 on here. And I can't do it if it's doing updates. Today's the 19th, that's right. So I gotta go get my flash drive. I'll be right back. Looks like it's gonna run it pretty good. Oh god, it makes noise and I got good video. Maybe I did install the drivers. Oh cool, it did. Awesome. Perfect. Now I can put the software on here. Oh. Well, that's one step I don't have to do. Windows 7 did it for me automatically. So, this is the 32-bit. I need to unplug this flash drive with that. There we go. Oh, that's my Windows installer. Audio CD. There's something in here. Well, hell, there is something in here. Ooh, I'm just gonna be a Ben Scale CD. Stuff for Windows 7. We're gonna copy over the x86 Service Pack installer. It's 537 megabytes. So doing it this way, it doesn't have to read from the flash drive every time it needs a file, so that's a good thing. I wonder how much memory this thing's got. I didn't even look. Oh, it's got 2 gig in it. It's only got a 1.6 in it, that sucks. Oh well. I guess it's better than a 900 megahertz. I don't even know who uses 900 megahertz anymore. I know one thing, I have a little netbook in there, it's an Asus. It is a Asus EPC 900 Linux version. Yes. But now it's going to install the Service Pack. So, installing Windows 7 Service Pack 1. So, I'll be back.